Download and install Revit 2020 in 4 simple steps. Original with the license for 3 years. Install on up to 2 personal devices. 1. Click on the link description box below. 2. Log in, or if you don't have an account in Autodesk, create an account. It will take just 5 minutes. 3. Select the version of Revit which you want to download. In our case, it's Revit 2020. Then select operating system and language. A screen will appear showing the serial number, product key, file size, and authorized users. Now click on red-colored icon Install Now. Then a window will pop up containing Autodesk License and Services Agreement. Accept it by clicking I accept, then click on blue icon say Install. Start the process of installing Revit in your device by clicking. It will take some time depending on your processor speed. After it is done, Autodesk will ask you to enter product key and serial number. 4. Autodesk will send you email regarding Autodesk license detail. Check your email from which you created your Autodesk account. Enter product key and serial number as present in email and you're good to go. Remember one thing: the harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share and subscribe to EasyCAD Architecture. Thanks.